Hello students, how are you? So today we will start what? Coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have done introduction. So now we will show its example. What I told you, distance formula. Distance formula meaning this formula, one point given. This is a point P whose coordinate are x1 and y1, and this is a point Q whose coordinate are x2, y2. We have to find out distance between them. So this distance by finding by a formula. So that formula name is what? Distance formula. So what? It's AB. So it's AB is equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Derivative also I told you how can you find out. Understood? Yesterday taken 2-3 activity. First condition taken, second condition taken, third condition taken. According to first condition what? First condition is this, if both point lying on the same axis. Second condition, both points lying on the different axis. Third one, if both point not lying on the axis. So in this way, we are able to find out a formula. And what's the name of that formula? Distance formula. So, what we can start here? So this first example is this, which is given in your book. So statement is this, do the points. Points what's given? Points given form a triangle or not. Form a triangle or not. So triangle property, you know. What's the property of triangles? Sum of two sides is always greater than the third sides. Understood? And difference of two sides is always less than the third side. So here given, do the points form a triangle, and if form a triangle, what type of triangle is this? So we can take these types of points. 3 points we can take like this. A whose coordinate are 3 and 2. B whose coordinate are -2, 3. B point is this, and C point is this, whose coordinate are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 meaning its distance from the y-axis is 2 unit and its distance from the x-axis is how much unit? 3 unit. So first what we can find out? AB we can find out. AB equal to under the root AB. This is x1, x2. This is x. We can take 3 minus plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus plus 3 whole square. So what's it's become? By distance formula, 5 whole square plus 5 whole square. So it's meaning 25 plus 25 is equal to under root 50. Under root 50, actually AB taking, so it's meaning AB equal to OB minus OA. Point O is what? Origin. So O meaning like this, -2 -3 whole square plus -3 -2 whole square, and this is equal to what? -5 whole square plus -5 whole square. If you can calculate this equal to this. So this is the way of doing, and if you can do like this also, then also not wrong. Why? Because length is always positive. AB or BA both are. Then we can find out BC. BC is equal to OC minus OB. What is this? C point is this. 2 minus plus minus plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 square plus how much? 3 minus minus plus 3 whole square is equal to what? If you can solve this, so what's coming? So this coming 16 plus 3, 3, 6, 36. How much? This is under root 52. How much? Under root 52. Then find out CA or AC, CA equal to BC, OA minus OC. So find out CA, it's meaning 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 whole square plus how much? 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 whole square. So how much become this? This become 3 minus 2, 1 square plus this 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So how much become this? 1 plus 1, how much? Under root 2. Understood or not? So what's its meaning? What's its meaning? So AB not equal to BC, not equal to CA. Understood? And if you can check, AB square is equal to what? It's meaning under root 50 whole square, and this is equal to 50. ACCA square is equal to under root 2 whole square. What is this? 2. And what is BC square? BC square is equal to under root 52 whole square. What is equal to 52? So what we can say? AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. BC square. So what saying? Sum of the square of one side is equal to sum of the square of the two sides is equal to square of one sides. So by the converse of BPT, it's a right angle triangle. What type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Which one is the right angle? Which one is the right angle triangle? Opposite to BC. This is the right angle. So this point name is A. This is B. And what is this? C. Coordinate of AR 3, 2. Coordinate of BR, what's minus 2, minus 3. What are the coordinate of C? 2, 3. So what type of triangle is this? This is a right angle triangle. Find out the distance between them, and if you can find out, then what's coming? It's become a right angle triangle. Got or not? What is this? Right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Right angle at where? A. Opposite to this, hypotenuse. And these are perpendicular and base. So by applying this theorems, we can tell. So its answer is form a triangle. Yes, form a triangle. So the name of the triangle, right triangle form? Right angle triangle. What's right angle triangle? And right angle at A. Understood? If you are taking points like this. So this is the example number 1. So now solving example number 2. Try to understand so much easy portion. Coordinate geometry. Yesterday I already told you. It's a combination. Solving the algebra in the form of geometry is coordinate geometry. So saying show that points, this point, this point, this point, and this point are the vertices of a sphere. Vertices meaning corner. What is this? Corner. So first we will prove what we will prove. It is a, what is this? Sphere. So a point we have taken a coordinate are 1 and 7. B we have taken 4, 2, C we have taken minus 1, 1, minus 1, and D minus 4, 4. So this point named D, this is C. So we have to prove it is a square. So two methods we are having by which we can prove. One method is this. We can prove, what we can prove? AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So either it is a square or it is a rhombus. Then we can prove its one angle is 90 degree. We can find out this BD. If BD, square of BD is equal to the square of this, so it's become a right angle triangle. So this angle is 90 degree. So remaining angle also become 90 degree. Because this is a property of a quadrilateral. If one angle is 90 degree, definitely its remaining angle also become 90 degree. We are talking about rhombus, we are talking about parallelogram, we are talking about rectangle, and we are talking about square. So first we will find out what's AB. AB equal to OB minus OA. So what is this? AB, 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square. What is this? Whole square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 3 3 is 9, 2 minus 7 minus 5, it's 25. So how much, if you can solve it, this is under the root 34. Yes or no? Then we can find out BC. BC means OC minus OB. So what is this? C. BC minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1. This is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square. Easily able to solve. This is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 square 25. And minus 1 minus 2 3. 3 3 is 9 is equal to 34. Yes or no? Then find out CD. CD equal to OD minus OC. So what is this? CD. C point is this, D point is this. So minus 4 plus 1 whole square plus 4. This is 4 plus 1 whole square is equal to this. So minus 4 plus 1. So minus 3. Square of minus 3, 9. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 square, 25. So how much? This is equal to 134. Then find out DA or AD. DA equal to OA minus OD is equal to this. A, 1 minus 4 minus plus 1 plus 4 becoming 1 plus 4, 5 square plus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 is equal to this. 4 plus 1, 5, 25. 7 plus minus 4, 3, 3, 3 is 9 is equal to what? Under the root 34. If you can check this, here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. So this is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. So therefore ABCD is a rhombus or square satisfying the property of this. Rhombus, all sides are equal, square also all sides are equal. And we have to prove it is a square. So here also we are having two methods. One method is this, we can find out here BD. BD equal to OD minus OB is equal to under the root. BD, OD minus 4 minus 4 -4, -4, -8, -4, -4 whole square plus 4 -2, 4 -2. Its square, yes or no, is equal to how much is this? -4, -4, -8, its square 64. 4 -2 plus 4 under the root 68. It's meaning this diagonal. Now we can find out value of this diagonal, distance between these 2 points. So what we can say, finding out BDAC. What's finding out? AC. AC equal to OC minus OA. So apply this. OC, C is where? This -1, -1, -1 whole square plus -1, -7, -1, -7 whole square. So this is equal to -1, -1 to -2, it's square 4 plus -7, -8, 64 is equal to under the root 68. So you know here AC, therefore AC equal to BD. So diagonal are equal. So this is the property of what? If all sides are equal and diagonal are equal, it's meaning it's a property of a square. Therefore, ABCD is a square. What? Square. Another method, this I can tell. So we can find out this, we can find out. AD square plus DC square is equal to what? AD. What's your AD or DA? Under root 34. So under root 34, it's square plus what's DC, CD. Under root 34, it's also under root 34 and it's square. So this is equal to 34 plus 34. How much? 68. And what is this? AC. AC equal to how much? AC equal to under root. So AC square equal to under root 68 whole square is equal to what? 68. So what we can say? AD square plus BC square equal to AC square. AD square plus DC square equal to AC square. So opposite to this AC, which angle? 90 degree. If in a rhombus, if one angle is 90 degree, then remaining angle also 90 degree. So rhombus become a square. So we can say, example number 2, these points making a square. Yes or no? By 2 methods able to solve. That's depend on you. You can apply which method in your exam. This example number 3, if you can understand, they are so much easy. Show the arrangement of desk in a classroom. So one desk is here, one desk is here. Its desk name is A. Another desk is here, its name is B. Another desk is C. Understood or not? So saying, show the arrangement of desk in a classroom. Asima, A for Asima, B for Bharti and C for Kamla are seated at A. If anybody is saying, what are the coordinate of this point? This point coordinate of this point are like this, this and this. So what's your x coordinate? It's distance from the y-axis. This is the y-axis. If you can say like this is y and this is x-axis. So how much distance? 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. It's meaning this is equal to 3. And what's its distance from the x-axis? 1 unit, that is y-axis. Y coordinate. So written here. If not given, then also able to write. Now coming on this point, what are its coordinate? Its distance from the y-axis, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is given. Its distance from the x-axis, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. So these are its coordinates, 6 and 4 already given to you. C point is like this. Its distance from the y-axis and its distance from the x-axis. Distance from the y-axis is x coordinate. What is that? It is that 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. What's given? Check one time. Do you think they are seated in a line? It's meaning they are forming a line. So forming a line is like this, sitting in a line. Or what we can say, these points are collinear. Collinear meaning if more than 2 points lying in one line, they are collinear. And if more than the 2 points not lying in a line, they are saying non-collinear. So first what we will find out? We will find out AB. What we will find out? AB. And AB, you know, OB minus OA equal to this. What are the coordinate of B? X coordinate 6 minus this. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus Y coordinate 4 and this is 1. 4 minus 1 whole square. What is that? Whole square. So this is equal to, this is 3 minus 6 minus 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 square 9. 4 minus 1, 3. It's square also 9. So how much? Under root 18. Under root 18. Now we can find out BC. BC, you know, OC minus OB. So what's your OC? Coordinate of C. X 8 and this is 6. So 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 whole square. Plus 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? So how much is this? 8 minus 6, 2, 2 square 4. 6 minus 4, 2. It's square 4. This is under root 8. Now we can find out AC. AC equal to OC minus OA. Again this C coordinate 8 of X. A is what? 3. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 whole square plus what? C coordinate Y 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 whole square. And this is equal to 8 minus 3, 5. 5 square 25 plus 6 minus what? 6 minus what? 5. 5 square 25. So what is this? 25. So how much? This is, if you can check, this is under root 50. What is this? Under root 50. So what you can say? What you can say about this? Are they collinear or not? Yes or no? So what we can say? So look one time, we will check if AB plus BC equal to AC, it's meaning collinear, and if these are not equal, so they are non-collinear. AB equal to under root 18, under root 18 we can write 3 under root 2. First I want to tell under root 18, how can we write 3 under root 2? So this we can write 3 into 3 into 2. So from this under the roots, which one coming outside, which is in pair, so 3 in pair, so this is 3 under root 2. And then under root 8 is equal to, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to, so which one is the pair? 2. 1, 2 coming outside, 2 under root 2. Understood? So in BC is what? 2 under root 2. So what's common? Under root 2 is common. So 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 or not? And this is equal to 5 under root 2. Understood? And this we can write, this how can write? This we can write 5 into 5 into 2 is equal to under root 50. And which is under root 50? This. Which one is this? AC. So equal to AC. Therefore, AB plus BC equal to AC. Hence, what? They are collinear. They are collinear. Therefore, making a line. These 3 points making a line. So in this way, so much easy portions of math, easily able to get full marks. Next example number 4. Find the relation between x and y such that xy is equidistant from this point. So saying there is a point this, and one point is this whose coordinate are 7 and 1, and another is this 3 and 5. So this distance and this distance are equal. This we can say O, whose x and y, or you can take this C, you can take. This is you can take A, this is you can take B. So here given, find the relation you have to find out, and what's given? AC equal to BC. So what you can say? AC equal to OC minus OE. So what is OC? OC meaning under the root x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Understood? BC equal to OC minus OB. So what's this? C is this x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So this is first, this is second, but AC equal to BC. So therefore, this x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to under the root x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square are equal. This is taken as 3, taking square both sides of equation. What's equation 3? So this become like this x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So solve it, a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. A square plus b square minus 2ab equal to x square plus 9 plus minus, sorry, not plus, minus 6x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y. Convert into simplest form. If you can check, this cancel this cancel this. So here we can write, this is, first I will take this minus 14x. Here how much x? Minus 6x plus 6x. Then I have taken y. How much y? Minus 2y. Minus 2y. This take in that side, how much? Plus 10y. Understood? Equal to, what is this? 9 plus 25, 34. Here 49 plus 1, 50. So in this side, what's become? Minus 50. Getting or not getting? So this is minus 14x. Sorry, we will show it. 14x of minus, 6x of plus. So what's left? Minus 8x minus 2 of y and 2y of minus and 10y of plus. So plus 8y equal to how much? Minus 16. These are plus, these are minus. I think you know these rules. So minus taken out. So 8x minus 8y equal to minus 16, minus cancel minus. 8 also take common. So x minus y equal to 8 into 2. This 8 cancel this. So x minus y equal to 2. This is the equation of a linear equation in two variable. What is this? Linear equation in two variable. If you can draw the graph of it, definitely graph of it is a straight line. What you have to find out? Find the relation. So what you can say relation is this: x minus y equal to 2. Or what we can say, x is equal to 2 plus y. So it's depend on you how you want to write. Got or not? So this I told you. Come on the next. Only one formula is there that you have to apply everywhere. Find the point on the y-axis. If any point lying on the y-axis, it's meaning x is 0. And this we can take, y1 we can take, or y we can take, which is equidistance from the point. So here is a one point given A. What's given? Points A given. This is point A whose coordinate are 7 and 1. And this is a point B whose coordinate are 3 and 5. Understood? So we have to find out, we are having a point where on the y-axis. So we can say this is the point. This is the point. This is the point which is lying on the y-axis, and equidistance from this point, and this point is equidistance from this, and what's its name? C we can say. What we can say? C, and its coordinate are 0 and y. So what we can do, first we can find out. So here meaning find a point on y-axis, its meaning is this, telling here x-axis is 0. So first we can find out BC. BC equal to OC minus OB. So what's your C? 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So this become like this. As it is, you can write 0 minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. This is your one. Now find out AC. AC equal to OC minus OA. So again find out OC. 0 minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. This is equal to this. So this become 0 minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. This is your 2. But AC equal to BC, this given equidistance from the point this. So its meaning is this. 0 minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to this. What is this? 0 minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. This is 3. Again squaring both sides. Both sides. Equation 3. We get what we get. This is minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So 49 plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 9 plus y square plus 25 minus 10y. Got this? This cancel this. So 49 plus 1, 50 minus 2y equal to 25 plus 9, 34 minus 10y. Take y in one side, minus 2y plus 10y. This and this is equal to 34 minus 50. What's 50? How much is this? Minus 8y. 2y of minus, 10y of plus. So 10 minus 2, 8 or plus 8, is equal to minus 16. 34 of plus, 50 of minus. So y equal to minus 16, by 8 is equal to minus 2. So find the points, its meaning its coordinate are x is 0 and y is minus 2. Got it? Yes or no? So able to find? Next taking exercise started. So we will start this exercise also from today. What's given? Find the distance between the following pairs of points. You have to find out the distance between these. You have to find out the distance between these. Find out the distance between these points. So one by one we will solve. So we can say this is the first part. So A point whose coordinate are 2, 3. And this is the point B whose coordinate are 4 and 1. And distance between them we have to find out. So this is A whose coordinate are 2, 3. B whose coordinate are 4 and 1. These points. So AB equal to OB minus OA. What is OB? B, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to what? 2 square plus minus 2 square. If you can solve these, 4 plus 4, how much? And root it. So the distance AB equal to how much? And root 8 units. Got it? Second part. Which part? Second. So what we can say, again taking this as a C, AB we have taken C point, we can take whose coordinate are minus 5 and 7, and D is a coordinate minus 1 and 3. And if I can say to you, these points lying in which coordinate? So what's your answer? In first quadrant, both are positive. In second quadrant, X is negative and Y is positive. So here if you can look, so X is negative, Y is positive, X is negative, Y is positive. So these points lying here, somewhere. Understood? So, but we have to find out what we have to find out, distance between them. So we can find out, what we can find out, we are taking like this. This is C's point, this whose coordinate are minus 5 and 7. D is a point whose coordinate, this point is D, whose coordinate minus 1 and 3. So we have to find out CD. CD equal to OD minus OC, and this is like this. D, minus 1 minus plus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. So what is this? It's 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. This I think you know. 3 of plus, 7 of minus, so minus 4 left. So what is this? Under the root 16, under the root 16. What is this? Under root 32. And this, how can we write? This we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is 32. One pair is this, one pair is this. So 2 into 2, 4 under root 2. So this distance, which distance? This distance. This distance is 4 under root 2 till here, till this point C. D, sorry. Got? So third part of this question, this also like this. We are taking this as a E point. What's point? E. E points is AB and D point is EF, is minus A minus B. If again I can say to you, E is lying in which quadrant? Both X and Y are positive, so definitely lying in the first quadrant. F is a point where both X and Y negative, so lying in the third quadrant. So situation is like this. So one point this here, which one? E. Another point is here, this. So like this. So E, A and B, F minus A minus B. We have to find out the distance between them. So we know EF equal to OF minus OE. OF minus OE. So what we can say, under the root F coordinate minus A minus A plus minus b whole square. So what's it's become? Minus a minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. So what is this? 4a square plus 4b square. Understood? 2 coming outside, so this is 2 under the root a square plus b square. So the distance between this is what? What's the distance? This distance EF. What's EF is 2 under the root a square plus b square till here. 2y came outside, so more steps we need. What we need? So here this 4 taken common under the root a square plus b square, and this we have written, how have we written? 2 into 2 a square plus b square, so this is in pair, so came outside. Actually plus minus 2 coming outside, but length is always positive, so always taking plus 2. Understood? This is your question number 1. Now question number 2 from the exercise, which exercise 7.1, find the distance between this point and this point. You have to find out. So we can say let a equal to this. A coordinate are 0 and 0. So lying where? On the axis, on the origin, this point is A here, whose coordinate are 0 and 0. And these both are positive. If both are positive, lying in which quadrant? First quadrant. So lying anywhere like this. So we have to find out. This is a point B whose coordinate are these. Find the distance between the point this and this. Find the distance between this and this. So find out AB, and B is a point whose coordinate are 36 and 15. So what's AB? OB minus OA. So what is this? This is meaning 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. So what's its meaning? It's meaning this 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. 13 whole square, 36 into 36. 6,921 is equal to 1,296 plus 225 is equal to what? 225. 1, 2, 5, 1 is equal to under the root this. And if you have to find out this, so 2 methods. One is this 21 is this making pair. So 4 4 the 16, 3 3 ja 9. How much left? 6. 3 plus 6, 6. And what's coming here? 21. 7 ja 8 ja 9 ja 81. 62. So this we can write. How can we write? 39 into 39. So what's coming outside? 39. Again saying plus minus, but length is always negative, always positive. So the distance between these points is how much? 39 units. And this we can solve by one is this method, another method is this. We can make its factor. Divide by 3. 3 5 ja 15. 3 7 ja 3 1 ja 3 6 ja 3 9 ja 13 1 ja 3 ja. Understood? So then this we can write 1 5 2 1 equal to this is not coming, here not coming, is equal to, in this form, 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So one pair is this, what is this? 3, another pair is this 13. How much? 39. So the distance between these 2 points is 39. Yes or no? So, and what? Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B, which is discussed in the section 7.2? So I told you which one is the section 7.2. Yesterday told you. So that one. So look this. So here. So yesterday also I told you this distance we have to find out. This is 36 kilometer. This is 15 kilometer. This is 39 kilometer. Understood? So easily we can find out what are the coordinate of this point 0, 0. What are the coordinate of this point? This point. Here this is distance. Its distance from the x-axis is 15 units. So what is x here? This is 36 and this distance is 36. So x is 36 and y is 15. So easily we can find out this is related to rewritten one time. Look, distance formula, what 7.2. So yesterday told, if not understood, once again check yesterday lecture. This third one, determine if the points are collinear. Collinear already I told you, if 3 points lying in a line, then they are collinear. Otherwise, what we can say? Non-collinear. So we can say, what's the solution of it? So we can say, let one point A whose coordinate are 1 and 5. Again I told you both are positive, so lying in the first quadrant. B 2, 3, this also lying in the first quadrant, and C point whose coordinate -2, -11, both are negative. So already I told you, once again I can explain. First quadrant both positive, second quadrant x is negative, in third quadrant both negative, in fourth quadrant what's negative? Y is negative. So here y is negative, x also negative, so lying in this point. So it's meaning C point is lying here and these 2 points lying in this quadrant. It's meaning first quadrant. So we can show it, saying you have to prove these are collinear or not. Otherwise this question coming in exam like this also, these 3 points lying in a line or not. So first we will find out what we will find out. AB. What we will find out? AB. AB equal to OB minus OA. So this is B 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, and this is equal to what? Find out one time. 2 minus 1 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. So what is this? This is equal to this 1 plus 4. This is equal to under root 5. Now finding out BC. BC equal to OC minus OB. So what is this? C minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. So what is this? So find out this. How much? Minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 whole square is equal to how much is this? 16 plus square of 14, 196, and which is equal to how much? If you can add this is become 214. How much become 212? Sorry, 14 not. 196 plus 16. Good. Yes or no? AB, BC. Now what is AC? What we have to find out? AC. What is AC? OC minus OE. And this is equal to what? C is minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. So what's it's become? This is become like this. 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 16 whole square, and which is equal to what? 3 3 is 9, 16, 256, and which is equal to, if you can write, 264. 5, sorry, 54, not 5. This 5. Yes or no? So, now we can check, are these equal or not? If they are equal, so how can we find out? AC, AB plus BC, AB plus BC. So like this point 1 is this A, this point B, and this point C. So AB plus BC must equal to AC if they are collinear. So AB is what? AB under root 5. What is this? Under root 5 plus BC under root 212. Yes or no? What is AC? AC equal to what? Under root 265. So this A plus B plus BC is not equal to what? AC. Hence, A, B, C are not collinear. If not collinear, then what? Non-collinear. Collinear definition I told you, if more than 2 points lying in a line, they are collinear, and if not lying in a line, then what we can say? They are non-collinear. So what you can say about these? These are non-collinears, which is your question number 3. Understood? Fourth, this is given, check whether these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So our isosceles triangle, you know, a triangle whose two sides are equal, that triangle is known as isosceles triangle. So we are taking 3 vertex. So this is taken A equal to 5 minus 2. So it's meaning X is positive, Y is negative. So lying in which quadrant? In 4th quadrant. Look one time. Just telling this is not given. First quadrant, both positive. Second quadrant, X is negative. Third, both negative. And then fourth, Y is negative, X is positive. B, 6, 4. Both are positive. So definitely lying in this first quadrant. In 7 and minus 2, again Y is negative. So lying in the which quadrant? 4th quadrant, minus 2. So if it is an isosceles triangle, must its two sides are equal. So we can find out its solution. So AB equal to OB minus OA. So what's your OB? 6 minus 5. 5 whole square plus 4 minus minus plus 2 whole square. This is equal to this. 6 minus 5, 1 square, plus 4 plus 2, 6 square is equal to what? 1 plus 36, how much? This is equal to under 37. Now BC equal to OC minus OB. So directly I am applying, try to understand BCC, 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 whole square plus 4 plus 2, again 4 plus 2, sorry, minus 2, wrong written this. Answer coming right, but way of expressing is wrong. So minus 2 minus 4 whole square. And if you can check it, so this is coming, how much coming? 1 square 1 plus 36 equal to under 37. So from this also we can say here AB equal to BC. Two sides of this triangle are equal, so definitely we can say it is an isosceles triangle, satisfying all the condition of isosceles triangle. Find out CA also. Not need, but we can find out OA minus OC equal to OA 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 whole square plus minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 and this become plus. So how much is this? So this is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 square 4. And this 0 plus 0 is equal to what? Under 4. So what we can say? AB, therefore AB equal to BC and which is not equal to C. Hence ABC or given triangle is an isosceles triangle. What triangle? Isosceles. Isosceles triangle. So we have done till here. More question also given in it. We can start that in the next lecture. So if you can solve these one by one, so it's my request you can try to solve remaining question of this exercise also. Today I will solve, then you will check these are right or wrong. So much is the chapter and you will get full marks if you will to do 20% work on this chapter. So it's my request, try for your best. Thank you all of you. Best of luck.